Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you the question answers and exercise work to enhance your knowledge for the chapter Colonial Administration. So, Colonial Administration, first we will do the exercise work and one by one you take it. The first question is choose the correct options. In choose the correct options, we are having the first one, the British Empire was firmly established by. In this, the correct answer is B. B for boy, 1856. I repeat once again. The correct answer for the first MCQ is B, 1856. Second, the dash were in charge of the cities. The correct answer is A. A for apple. Kotwal. 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 Then third, the majority of the British Indian army comprised of dash. The majority of the British Indian army comprised of dash. And the answer is B. B for boy. Sepoys. 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 B is correct answer for the third MCQ. Now fourth. The charter is a grant from the dash giving rights and privileges to an individual or corporation. The correct answer is Queen. Quee and Queen, and that option is B. B for boy is correct answer. And there is a little bit doubt some children are having that A may be also. Yes, A and B both you can do. A crown. Crown meant the queen. Okay. So in this you can put the tick mark on both crown and queen, or you can write the answer if you are doing in the fill in the blank crown oblique queen. Understood? Now, next, fifth, before the Charter Act of 1833, the East India Company had a monopoly in dash trade in India and China. The correct answer is D. D for dog. T-E-A-T. T is correct answer. Now match the columns. First, Regulating Act. In front of Regulating Act, 1773, correct answer is 1773. Then second, Pitt's India Act. The correct answer is D, 1784. 1784. Third, Charter Act. The correct answer is A, 1833 to 1853. Charter Act A, 1833 to 1853. And the fourth one, Bengal Regulation. And the correct answer is C, 1793. Correct answer is 1793, that is C. Now fill in the blanks. The dash failed to check the corruption in the ranks of the East India Company. And the correct answer is Regulating Act. REGULATING. Regulating ACT Act. And for this, when you are writing, regulating R will be capital, Act A will be capital. Second, the Supreme Court was first set up in Calcutta. CALCUTTA, Calcutta, in 1774. Through the Regulating Act 1773. That is detail for you. Otherwise, you have to write only Calcutta. CALCUTTA, Calcutta. The Supreme Court was first set up in Calcutta. Then third, the Pitt's India Act. Pitt's India Act, PITTS, Pitt's, P capital, India, I capital, INDIA, India, and Act, ACT Act, A capital, provides for a board of control in Britain. Fourth, the East India Company lost its monopoly trading privileges in 1813. In 1813, 1813. 1813. Then fifth, the district subdivision were under the charge of darogas. DAROGAS, darogas. Understood? Done. The district subdivisions were under the charge of darogas. Now, fourth D is there. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. And for your convenience, I would like to tell that all four are false, and the corrections I am telling you. The first, the British government interfered in the activities of East India Company for the first time in 1753. The correct answer is 1773. 1773, 1773. That is correct answer. Year is wrong given. Then second, false. And the British administrative structure was meant to promote the welfare of the Indian people. No. It was meant only making profit for the company. It was on the British administrative structure was only the British administrative structure was meant to promote only making profits for the company. Third, the Indians in the army and civil services enjoyed equal rights as their British colleagues. No, they did not get any privilege. They did not get any privilege. They got only lower positions. They got only lower positions. And then fourth, it is also false. The colonial police force enjoyed popular support of the native population. It is false. And the correct answer is they did not get higher positions. And the police suppress only to the Indians in the name of law. For example, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. You can give, right? Otherwise, you write, if you are writing only that much, it will be enough, because like army, here also they did not get higher positions and suppressed by the police in the name of law. Now, question answers E. Answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. The first is, what is a charter? And answer is given on page number 16 in the key terms. A written grant from the sovereign power of a country conferring certain rights and privileges on a person or corporation. On a person or a corporation. Done? Answer is given on page number 16 in the key terms. Okay. Now, second, when was the Pitt's India Act implemented? The Pitt's India Act, you will take from the question, the Pitt's India Act was implemented in 1784, 1784. The Pitt's India Act was implemented in 1784, 1784. Third, who founded the Indian Civil Services? The correct answer is Lord Cornwallis. Lord, L-O-R-D, Lord Corn, C-O-R-N-W-A-I-I, sorry, W-A-L-L-I-S, Lord Cornwallis. See, in that spelling, Lord L will be capital, Cornwallis C will be capital. Lord Cornwallis founded the Indian Civil Services. And the answer is given, I think, on page number 16. Now, next question, name the pillars of British administration. Answer you will get on page number 16. The pillars of Indian British Administrative Services administration, and under that heading you will get the British established 4 main pillars on which British administration stood: civil services, army, police, and judiciary. And the judiciary. That is correct answer. Now, and then fifth question, when was the Bengal Regulating Act set up? Regulation set up. Fifth question, when was the Bengal regulation set up? Question number 5. When was the Bengal regulation set up? And the correct answer is the Bengal regulation was set up in 1793. The Bengal regulation was set up in 1793. The correct answer. Once again, I am repeating all the questions, 10 to 20 words for you. Question number 1, given on the page number 16 in the key terms, charter, and that is a written grant from the sovereign power of a country conferring certain rights and privileges on a person or corporation. Second question, when was the Pitt's India Act implemented? The Pitt's India Act was implemented in 1784. Then third, who founded the Indian Civil Services? Lord Cornwallis founded the Indian Civil Services. Then fourth, name the pillars of British East India Company, British administration. Answer is given on page number 16 under the heading Pillars of British Administration. All the 3 lines. The British established 4 main pillars on which British administration stood up: civil services, army, police, and the judiciary. Then the fifth question, when was the Bengal regulation set up? The Bengal regulation was set up in 1793, 1793. That is all for today. We'll meet with the civics chapter. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.